सॉरी, ये वीडियो मैं मेरे खुद के लिए बना रहा हूँ। अगर बाय मिस्टेकली आपके पास तक आ चुका है तो प्लीज़ इसको स्किप कर दीजिए, ऊपर नीचे कहीं भी कर दीजिए, क्योंकि ये इंट्राडे का रूल्स है जो इंट्राडे करने के पहले हम पढ़ते हैं। तो पढ़ना कभी कभी बहुत बोर हो जाता है। तो ये काफ़ी बड़े रूल्स है दोस्तों। देखो, आप दिखा देता हूँ यहाँ से देखे 35-36 रूल्स है इंट्राडे ट्रेडिंग करने के पहले, जो पढ़ना पड़ता है ताकि बार बार अपने को वो सेम सेम गलतियाँ जो होती है अपने से गलतियाँ ना हो। तो इसलिए ये मैं मेरे खुद के लिए बना रहा हूँ। तो प्लीज़ आपके पास आया है तो इसको स्किप कर दिए। पर ये जेन्युइनली पूरा इंट्राडे के रूल्स है। तो ये भृगु संहिता के रूल्स है। तो मैं मेरे अपना एक एक रूल्स में लेता हूँ, पढ़ रहा हूँ। तो आपके पास गलती से आया तो प्लीज़ इसको देखो मत, प्लीज़। Follow rules compulsory. First rule है always trade in two lot. Don't trade below 200 script and above 200. If risk reward is 1:1, then take risk of 50% instead of 100%. Before taking trade, check all parameter, should confirm and clean. Don't tempt to take a trade. Don't trade for small profit. Don't trade if above R3 and below S3 is too much gap. Don't trade if parameter line touch not confirm at line or above line. Don't trade in mountain chart, spike chart. Don't trade in reverse chart. Don't trade in spike chart that not look good. Don't trade on that chart where spike is in a parameter. Don't trade on trade one is going up and one is going down. Exit below target. Exit 50% on target, 50% on the time. Follow this rule compulsory. If PV previous close not match, then also don't trade. If stop loss is opposite of VWAP and you are achieving desired target, book profit immediately. If target time is 3 p.m. and if your target hit at 1 p.m., then don't exit from that trade. Be there up to 230 or auto squarer. If you are achieving the target, try to exit always. If you are in profit at 245, then put SL on where you take a trade. If you are in the profit at 3 p.m., then also do same. If you are in loss, then exit on time. Don't wait for target or stop loss or any profit. In the trade, the script comes desired level according to matching chart. Then don't wait for the for time. Take 50% of trade there and 50% on the time. Matching chart should be neat and clean. Done money management before trade. Take desired loss, not more than that. One day, one trade. Put a proper stop loss and don't worry of hitting the stop loss. If stop loss hit, then also don't worry. Stop loss is stop loss. Don't change it. Don't reverse it. If stop loss hit, don't do reverse trade. Once your stop loss is hit or profit you done for that that day, try to don't try to take a trade again. Trade on given time. Don't decide whatever situation, near or long. Follow this rule compulsory. All these rules are important. Don't break any rules. Read all this before trade. So we are making this video. So yeah. One more thing, if buyers is strong and chart patterns is sell, then don't trade in that pattern. In trade time, if script come to near target, then don't trade. Don't match chart forcefully. So like this, there is 36 rules of Bhrigu Samhita. If you are trading in a intraday market, this is very important. You should have follow your rules whenever you're going to go trade, because if you not follow your rules, your disciplines, you never make this success in this market. So this is very this is like your rules is like something that protect you, and those who are following their rules, then nobody can stop to success in this market. This is a very nice market, nice market. So your rules is very important. and your experience is very important. According to your experience, automatically you know when to trade, where to trade, when to exit, and where to exit. Everything is there. So this is very important. My friends, intraday is something is there. I love intraday doing trading, and since 10 years I am doing the trade, and I trade on time and pure formula. So according to that, all this my desire rules are coming here, and most of the time uh, we are out from the market because of these rules. We are never trade if we don't get any signal from our system. So like this there, those watching this video up to here, definitely they are going to success in their intraday life in the share market. So thank you to watching this. Namaste.